we'll discuss about medical records department in an hospital. Preview. So these are the things that you'll be seeing in this video. Objectives. Define the medical record. Enlist the purpose of medical records in relation to the patient, doctor, hospital and medical education and research. Enumerate the steps involved in planning and organization of medical records departments in an hospital. First medical record unit was established in 1667 at St. Bartholomew's Hospital in England, followed by practice of maintaining patient register in Pennsylvania Hospital in 1792. Idea of proper medical inform of centralized inpatient records came in USA from the American College of Physicians and American College of Surgeons in the last quarter of the 20th century. In India, War Committee in 1946 first stressed the importance of keeping medical records. Reiterated by Mudaliar Committee in 1962, subsequently the Health and Hospital Review Committee highlighted the poor state of medical records, recommended the establishment of proper medical record section in each hospital in India. This was proposed by Jain Committee and Rao Committee. With the technical advancement, the computers are extensively used for record generation, analysis and retrieval. Microfilming has also been introduced for easy storage and retrieval. Definition: a clinical, scientific, administrative and legal document relating to patient care in which are recorded sufficient data written in the sequence of events to justify the diagnosis, warrant the treatment and results. A medical record is a document or facts which contains the statements by trained observers of condition found and the application and the result of the examination and therapy. It also indicates whether or not the efforts of the doctors supplemented by the hospital and related facilities are in accordance with the reasonable expectations of the present day scientific medicine. Medical records, as such, is a package of forms, case sheets placed in the chronological order of occurrences of events and investigation reports. The nature of the forms, lab reports, and even case sheets recordings may vary from hospital to hospital. Classically, the medical records of a patient contains documents arranged in the following sequence: admission form, case sheet comprising of medical history, investigation order, progress reports, anesthesia, check record if applicable, lab reports in chronological sequence of the ordering, clinical findings, treatments issued, consent form for surgery or specialized procedures, note for surgical special procedures, films along with their reports. Medical reports for the outpatients should also be prepared, processed, stored in the same manner as the inpatient records. Each individual attending an OPD is outpatient department is given a register number and all the medical records are kept in a folder bearing the same number. Patient issued a ticket token bearing the registration number. Individuals at the OPD record room sends the folder to the appropriate department on the presentation of the token. The folder is deposited back after the visit. Purpose: the medical record is indispensable from the point of view of the patient, doctor and the hospital, and for the medical education and research. The patient: it serves to document the clinical history of the patient's illness and course of the disease. It serves to avoid the omission or unnecessary repetition of the diagnostic and treatment measures. It assists in continuity of care in the event of the future illness. It also provides the necessary information for insurance, contributory health schemes, or for the employment purposes. The doctor: assurance of quality, quantity and adequacy of diagnostic and therapeutic measures undertaken. An assurance of orderly continuity of the medical care is also taken into account. Evaluation of medical practice, an aid in research and continuing education of the health professionals. A protection in the event of legal question. The hospital: document the type and quantity of work undertaken and accomplished. Furnish the proof of the type and the quantity of the care rendered to the patients. Evaluate the proficiency of the individual doctors for administration and clinical purpose. Evaluate the service of hospital in terms of accepted norms and standards. Protect the hospital in the event of legal matters. Serve as an administrative record. Assist in future program and planning. Medical education and research. Recorded observations are the basis for clinical research. Further, the education of doctors and other health personnel are also important. Medical records supply pertinent data for the use of public health authorities for control of diseases. Planning, organization and staffing. The main factor that govern the organization of the work in a medical record department or medical records should always be available when required in the form they are required. Adequate liaison should be exist between the different groups of the staff using the medical record to enable to give due consideration to the matters such as design, contents, methods and storage. Procedures should cause patients the minimum of waiting and inconvenience. The medical record committee is composed of representative of the clinical discipline, members from the pathology services, representative of the nursing staff and the administrator. Organization: administration and inquiry office, admitting the office, admission check desk, census desk, inquiry office, Central Record Office, receipt of checking, assembly and storage of all the medical records of the discharged patients. Discharge analysis and statistics are also provided. Coding of all the diagnoses as per the international classification of diseases are used. Indexing of all discharged patients by disease, doctor, etc. Making records available for medical legal purpose. Issue of medical certificates of various types. Send notification of all communicable diseases to the public health authorities. Issue of medical certificates of various types. Preparation of monthly abstracts and annual statistical details. Dealing with the inquiries from Life Insurance Corporation regarding the disease and cause of death of the insured. Training of all the category of the personnel. Storage of all types of forms used in the hospital. Next is the outpatient record section.